Goatee TV.
Goatee, look. There's an apple tree over there. I bet those apples are super tasty.
Oh yes, Bunny. I love apples. Let's get some.
Ugh, they're too high. I can't reach them.
Me neither. What do we do now?
I know. Let's work together, Goatee.
Together? How?
You stand on my back, and I'll hop. When I jump, you grab the apples.
That sounds like a great plan, Bunny.
Yes. And we couldn't have done it without teamwork.
Got it.
So yummy. I'm glad we worked together.
We did it, Bunny. We got the apples. Me too.
Subscribe to my channel.
And look, we even have an extra apple. Why don't we share it with Squirrel?
For me, thank you, Bunny and Goatee.
Thanks for watching. Goatee TV.
Like and subscribe for more upcoming videos.